what is table and how to make a table in MS Word. In this video, we are going to talk about this. So let's continue to go. Hi guys, welcome back. Here is Wali Ahmad Mohammadi with another video of learning how to make a table in MS Word. In the previous video, we talked about pages, and we studied how to make a cover page, blank page, and how to make a break page. So in this video, we are going to go to this section, which is table. And now we are going to make a table. So if I click here, now I can make a table just by going my cursor in any cell of here. I will click. And now you can see this is a table. Each table has columns. These are columns. Let me make it much more better. And let me zoom in the screen to understand it better. This is column. These are columns. So in this table, I have 5 columns. And these are rows. You can see these lines are rows. So these homes, these are cells. This is a cell. Each cell is in a column and row. So in this table, I have 5 columns and 4 rows. So now if I click here, I will click here. And if I press backspace, it will be removed. And now I will go again to the insert section, table section, and I will press on the table. Now if I bring my cursor to any place of these cells here, you can see there is a number which is written here. Now it is 5-3 table. Now it is 5-5, 5-6, 7-7, 7-8. What does it mean? Let me show you like this. 3-2 means you will have 3 columns and 2 rows. If I go here, now what is it? It is 7 columns and 5 rows. It means that you are going to make a table which has 7 columns and 4 rows. So the highest table that I can make here with this section is 10-8. It means the highest, the biggest table that I can make can have 10 columns and 8 rows. But can I make more than that? Yes, it's possible. How can I do that? You will come to this section, which is insert table. If I click here, now the word asks from us. You should say the size of your table, number of columns and number of rows. I'm going to tell it that I will have 20 columns and 30 rows. So now I will press OK, and you can see this is my table, and it is going to have 20 columns and also 30 rows. That was for this section. Let me click here on the table. I will click on this section, or you can press Ctrl+A to select everything, or you can just click on this section to just select the table, the whole table that you have. Now I will press on backspace to remove this table. When you make a new table, where does this table comes and where does it appear? Wherever your cursor is, your table will be there. So is it possible to move it to anywhere you want? Yes, you can do that. How? Let me make a table. This is my table. Now, here was my cursor, and now here is my table too. If I want to move it to anywhere else, here is just an icon. This is the icon. Now, if I click it or drag it, now you can see that I can move it anywhere that I want. Even I can move it here or there or any place which I need. So if I click at the end of this table and I bring just a piece of paragraph. Let me make a paragraph, and I will press enter. Now I do not need this table before this paragraph, and I want to move it after the paragraph. How can I do that? Yes, this is the icon. I will drag it and I will bring it at the end of this paragraph. Now you can see I moved my table. That was moving. There are some other sections that we are going to understand them too. I will select everything I have here, press backspace to remove them. Now I will go back to insert section, table, and there is another icon which is draw table. With this section, you can draw a table for yourself. Let me make something. This is going to be my table here. I will make a column and also a row. This is another row. Here going to be another column. This is going to be another row. So with this drawing table, you can see you can draw a table that you need and you want. How you can remove this icon and how you can change your icon and go back to select section cursor, not drawing section. How you can do that? If you go to insert section, table, the draw table isn't active now, so you should deactivate that or inactive that. Just press on that. Now you can see my cursor is not drawing section and it's not like a pencil. It is my own cursor. I will click on this and click on backspace to remove the table. Also, you can have your table and you can bring a table from Excel to Word. How you can do that? Press on Excel spreadsheet. Now this is Excel window or model. Now everything you have here is from Excel, not from the Word section. Inshallah, at the end of the insert tab in the Word, we will also going to read the object. Object also can do this section for you too. If you make a table here, now my table is going to have name, last name, age, and also it's going to be salary. The last one is going to be salary. It's okay. I will press double press here to make it that. If I just click outside this model, I will close that. Clicking. Now you can see this is my table, and this table comes from Excel. So how can I remove it? Just press on the table, click on backspace. You can see there isn't any table now. There are some quick tables and some default tables that were given to us. Where they are here on quick tables. If you just go bring your cursor on quick table, now you can see there are a lot of built-in tables in Word. So you can click on any of them and you can use them. For example, calendar, there are 3 calendars. Also double table. There are some templates and built-in tables that the Word given to us. You can use from any of them that you need. Let me use just this type of calendar. I will click and now you can see this is my table. You can make yourself the best table as possible, and inshallah in these videos and in this series of learning tables we will study, and inshallah we will going to make the 1 or 2 tables, or we will going to design 1 or 2 tables together. And so now I'm going to remove this. I click here and click on backspace. It is removed. Let me make another table. Here is the table. So what we have studied till now, we have studied that if you press on the table, you can make a table. There are many sections that you can make with that table. That was the first one, this section. The other one was inserting a table with a number of rows and number of columns. The second one and the third one was by drawing a table. You can draw a table yourself, and also you can make a table from Excel spreadsheet, and there are some built-in tables in the Word that you can use. When you make a table, the Word gives you two more tabs. One is table design, that you are going to use this to design your table. And the other one is table layout, that we are going to use it to change the layout of our table. And there are some buttons, sections, and commands that help us to change the layout, remove a cell, remove a row, remove a column, draw a column, merge them, and in this tab we will learn about this. So what we have learned? We have learned that in the table design we are going to design our table, and in the table layout we are going to change the layout of the whole table. In this video it's enough. Inshallah, in the next video, we are going to start from designing our table. Have a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.